If you ever show up to a trip and you realize you forgot something important, PackList is built for you. In this short demo, you'll see how to create a smart packing list in seconds. Customize it for your trip and reuse it so you never start from scratch again. Here on your dashboard, you can see your trips. The weather is applied to your trip and gives you an extra idea of what to expect on your trip to help plan. Then, get the latest alerts, permits, wildlife, hazards, and seasonal information from the National Park Service. Permits and licenses needed for camping, needed for fishing. The gear locker tracks your gear for each trip. Care tips and product tips give you the information needed to stay informed. And because some of your trips will be in offline areas, your trips will be accessible offline as well as all the information you need.